Good morning, dear students. Now, today we are going to continue with the GK chapters. As in our previous video, we have completed till 16th number chapter. Okay, so now today we are going to learn four more chapter, or rather than that. And these chapters are too easy. It's related to computer and science. Okay, so the chapter number 70 will start with the chapter number 17 is the Mind Spark, a simple science quiz. Okay, in a science, you know, we are studying the physics, chemistry and biology, right? In a chemistry, what happened? In chemistry, we are studying the different chemical reaction on the various substances, either in the substances. Okay, and in the physical and physics, what we are studying? We are studying about the mirrors, about the substance, about the movement, about the light, etc. Okay, and about the biology, we are studying in that various system of the human body, insect or animals. Okay, so these three streams of the science, there are quiz are there that it's related to the science only. Okay, so chapter number 17 that you all have to do is find out the answer by your own, because you already have studied in the science about the poor conductor, good conductor, insulator, what is the temperature of human body and etc. Okay, so everything you have studied in your 6th and 7th standard. So you will come to know easily that, and you can easily find out the answer from that. Now chapter number 18 is about the revolutionary inventions that has been done in the computer area. Okay, so innumerable scientific inventions and discovery have revolutionized our life and have proved to be blessing for mankind. Okay, but as you know, in ancient time we don't have any kind of technology or any machineries or equipments, and though we are doing the all the work very nicely. Okay, but the machines, the technology, the equipments, they makes our work easier and faster, and they makes our work मोर एफिशिएंट. ओके, आप जैसे हैंड रिटन में लिख सकते हो वैसे आप यू कैन टाइप इन द कंप्यूटर very fast. You can add the effects, you can pour the colors, you can use the various font style, size, paper, etc. Okay, now this through the Xerox machine you can take out the number of copies of your choice. Okay, माइक्रोवेव ओवन है, सीमेंट है, व्हाट इज द फोटोकॉपियर and accelerator that you know in malls you all visited, right? And for going upstairs and downstairs you have to stand, वो मशीन आपको ऑटोमेटिकली ऊपर ले जाएगी. That is called as the accelerator. Okay, now let's move on the next chapter, that is branches of study. That is 19 number chapter, branches of study. And for the study there is used the ology. Okay, that is the word is the ology. For example, study of living organism, that is called the biology. Okay, ology सबके पीछे में आएगा. Biology, ecology, zoology, study of animals, that is called as the zoology. Study of plants, that is called botany. Okay, then study of earth, that is called the geology. Okay, तो last में जो है the logy, it's a sign that it means the study of particular subject. For example, study about the blood, about the body. Okay, study of blood, that is called as the immunology. Okay, blood related components, what are the substances are present in the blood. Okay, that is called as the immunology. Okay, then about to study about the virus, that is called a virology. Either you can say the microbiology. in which you will study the very tiny organisms that you cannot see with your naked eyes. Okay, for that you have to use the microscope, that is called as the microbiology. So you can familiar that various study in various disciplines. There are 10 studies given and you have to identify the studies name. Okay, now next is the chapter number 20, that is know your body. Okay, and this chapter is related to with your science, that our body has how many blood vessels, वो कितनी लंबी होती है, और कोई डिजीज के बारे में है. देन इट्स अबाउट कोई ऑर्गन. You, as you know, our body is consist of many organs, right? It's the body, it starts from the cell. When the cell combines, they form tissue. When the tissue combines, they form an organ. When the organ combines, they form an organ system, and through the organ system we have the whole human body. Okay, so in our human body there are various organs and they have different functions to perform. Okay, हार्ट है, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ हार्ट? तो हार्ट का फंक्शन है टू पंप द ब्लड थ्रू आउट द बॉडी. Okay, so this way you will have to give the answer. It is the quiz of science. It's related to human body. Okay, then it's about life skill and questions. Okay, etiquettes. Life skill and etiquettes. For example, there are certain etiquettes and life skills, some common sense that we have to use. For example, if you are in the school, okay, so certain skills you must have. For example, to manage your books very nicely. किसी की notebooks जो है, what is the life skill? Life skill क्या है? The manners, etiquettes for the children are ranked as the most important quality to nurture at home, at school and at public places, since they play a very crucial role in shaping the personality of a child. Take an example of one child. That child has many skills. Okay, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो चाइल्ड है, वो अच्छे से अपनी बुक को मैनेज कर रहा है, वो ऑलवेज क्लीन कपड़े पहनता है, देन वो ड्रेसिंग उसका अच्छा है, देन वो अपने हेयर ऑयल अच्छे से करता है, हेयर कोम अच्छे से करता है, देन दे टॉक विथ समवन. ओके, वो कोई बड़े से बात कर रहा हो तो वो रिस्पेक्ट के साथ बात कर रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज द लाइफ स्किल. ओके, हाउ यू बिहेव. ओके, जब भी आप किसी से मिलते हो तो इट शोज दैट यू आर अ गुड पर्सन. बट आप जब किसी से मिलते हो और आपने बैडली बिहेवियर कर रहे हो, कोई अच्छे से आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो, जैसे मन में आया वैसे बोलते ही जा रहे हो, देयर इज इफ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग योर कॉमन सेंस देन इट्स अफेक्ट्स योर पर्सनालिटी. ओके, दैट लाइफ स्किल एंड एटिक्वेट्स. एटिक्वेट्स मीन्स क्या कि हमें ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए कि नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैव टू फिनिश दिस वर्क इन 1 hour ओनली, सो आई विल try my best to complete the work within an hour. Okay, but अगर मेरे पास ऐसा कोई एटिक्विटी नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, चलो ना, हम ही है ना, हमें क्या पता, दूसरों को क्या पता है हमने 1 hour में कंप्लीट किया है कि नहीं. सो दिस इज द एटिक्विट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स सी द एटिक्विट्स होम. Wish your elder early in the morning. Okay, when you wake up, okay, that time you have to first wish to your mother, either father, either your grandparents, that good morning, either whatever your in your particular religion, if you are saying that namaste, good morning, have a good day, anything. Okay, then don't argue with parents and elder. It's taught by in the school also that don't argue with your parents or elders. Offer seats to your elders. Okay, whenever you are go outside, पहले होटल में बैठने के लिए, इधर किसी जगह पे बैठने के लिए, अगर आप बैठे हो, आप छोटे हो, बैठे हो, और लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई बड़ा खड़ा है जो बुजुर्ग है, ओके, तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऑफर देम, प्लीज टेक दिस सीट, आई विल स्टैंड अप. Okay, so this is called the etiquettes and life skills. So in a school में कौन से etiquettes and life skill follow करने होंगे? You have to be punctual to your works, you have to be regular in your homework in your school, okay, and you have to wear proper neat and clean uniform. Clear? Now do not spoil the classroom as well, and the corridors and playground in the school. You don't have to throw the garbage in anywhere, just you have to throw the garbage in a dustbin only. So this is the etiquettes. At a public places and stay at a garden में आप जाओ तो क्या करना चाहिए? You have to be natural, okay, don't pluck the flower from the garden, don't harm the trees and plants, etc. Okay, do not waste the water. There's certain things that you have to keep it in mind. So students, we have seen the chapter number 17 to 21. We will have to complete it till 21 number chapter. We will meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.